Hello viewers, welcome to
Monkey to Man.
In this video we are going to see about cube tutorial, the first layer. Come, let's go into the video. 3 into 3.
Знаю, почему ты был в отделе. Знаешь, я не меньше твоего хотел бы видеть, как дорогу светят фары с класса 6 и 3 летит по трассе наш зеленый, общий красный левый номер, новый паспорт в дальнем свете.
Come, let's see the promo. Let's start the tutorial. First, we should start with the white color. Then, complete the white color. Let's see. I think all know how to solve the white color. Okay, it has solved. So, then we should join the middle upper piece and center color in all colors except yellow. So use this formula to do. So see the white bottom color. So it is red. Keep it right and use the formula. We will give the formula in the description. So it has joined. So yellow and orange it has joined. And see the white bottom, it is blue. So keep it is right and do the formula. So it is green, the bottom is green. Keep it right and do the formula. So all the middle upper piece and center color has been joined. So we should join all the colors like T shape. Then the layer 1 completes. So let's see the tutorial. So the white opposite, okay, it is orange. Keep it left and do. So the T shape will be formed. The following instructions will be given in the description. Thank you for watching and subscribe, like and share. Peace, bro.